We are sticking to the kitchen. The fishing has been horrible lately, and I am craving a sweet tooth. So I'm going to be making cassava pone, two different styles, one on the stovetop and one in the oven. Now here are the list of ingredients, but I'll list everything in the box below. So let's get started. We've got some grated cassava. I bought a store version. This is the reason I like making cassava pone, just easier now. And the coconut was very easy to grate. Take a look at this. I'm going to use a hammer to separate the shell from the meat. It is so simple and easy. Now I'm just going to take a knife and push the meat away from the shell. Just be careful with the knife. And that's it. I'm going to cut this up and then I'm going to blend it on the single serve. We can add some condensed milk, vanilla extract, a little bit of baking powder, black pepper, some clove powder, cinnamon powder, some nutmeg, and the flour is only for the stovetop version. Some carnation milk and a little bit of sugar. So let's get started. Using this store-bought is very easy. You're not going to grate your fingers on none of the graters, and it's very simple to use and work with. Now we're going to combine everything. I'm just going to pre-grease my pan before I add the butter to this combo. This pan is for the oven. And we're just gonna add everything. Vanilla extract. You can add a little or a lot. These are for your taste buds. But these will add different layer of flavor. So work with your ingredients. Everyone cassava pone on YouTube and around the world is different. This is how I like to make mine. Add some black pepper, lots of nutmeg, and I love it this way. My kids have been enjoying it like this for 10-12 years now. And you're gonna see at the end of this video, that's exactly what happened. Condensed milk give it a richer flavor, and I have to use less sugar because the condensed milk is very sweet. When you're adding the carnation milk, it's good to go in a little at a time. This way you're gonna know how you have a feel for your pone. You want a certain texture and a certain feel when you're setting it. It needs to bake for about an hour. So it cannot be too dry going into the oven. I'm just gonna taste it. And if you want, you don't have to add any sugar more. We like it a little bit on the sweeter side. Now we can get our pan and set it in the oven. So as I said, I'm doing two versions. Otherwise, I would have put all of this into the same pan. I'm just going to keep back some to do my stovetop version. Add a little bit of nutmeg for extra spice. I'm going to bake this at 350 for 1 hour. Now this flour is just for the stovetop one. Only a little, 1 tablespoon, just to bind everything in the pan. This I'm going to bake for about 9 to 10 minutes on either side, and then it's done. That's one of the reasons I like this one too. It's fast and easy. Now you're going to turn the stove down very low and let this cook slow and low. Now also my oven is on, so I'm probably getting a little bit of heat from the bottom. So this is what it looks like around 9-10 minutes. And because of the non-stick pan, it was very easy to flip. I'm going to cover this and let it cook for another 10 minutes on low heat. Let's check our oven version. Still looking good. Halfway through. Oh, this is done. See that nice char that's on there? Coming along real nice. Now, this has a story. I left the stovetop on the counter to cool, and my kids came and cut and took and eat. They don't have time with YouTube, Dad. They want to eat. This is delicious. So this one is the oven one, and look, it's very nice. I'm gonna eat this for breakfast tomorrow morning. Very nice, moist, a little bit of gluey, gummy. That's how you like cassava pone. But this one I like the best, the stovetop version. Has the char and it was a little bit sweeter. So here are two versions of cassava pone. Very delicious recipes. Hope you give it a try and leave me a comment. Once again, thanks for watching. Please do hit that subscribe button, the like button, and as always, thanks for watching.